Looking for the perfect tiller to turn tough soil into a smooth planting bed? Today we're ranking 5 popular models from lightweight cordless options all the way up to the most powerful performer in this lineup. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the MZK. This one is the most compact and lightweight model in today's ranking, and it's clearly designed for light-duty garden work rather than heavy groundbreaking. With a 20-volt battery system and 24 steel tines spinning at 360 RPM, it's surprisingly capable for its size. At just over 10 pounds, you can easily carry it around your yard, move between flower beds, or store it without taking up much space. It's great for loosening soil in raised beds or refreshing small planting areas. Compared to the larger models on this list though, the working width is much narrower, so it takes more passes to cover the same area. The main limitation here is power and scale. It's not meant for thick clay soil or large gardens. The 8-inch width is the smallest in this group, and while it's very convenient, it simply can't compete with wider, deeper tillers when it comes to serious ground prep. If you have a small yard, raised beds, or just need something light and easy to handle, this could be a smart choice. And by the way, you'll find links to all the products in this review at the best prices in the description under the video. Now, let's step things up. Coming in at number 4, we have the Greenworks. Now this is where cordless power starts to feel more serious. It still gives you the freedom of no gas and no cord, but with noticeably more strength than the previous model. The 40-volt battery delivers more torque, and you get an adjustable tilling width up to 10 inches, plus a deeper reach of up to 5 inches. That extra depth makes a real difference when preparing soil for planting vegetables. Compared to the smaller 20-volt unit, this one handles medium garden beds much more confidently. It's also still light enough at 21 pounds to maneuver without much strain. That said, it's still battery powered. You're looking at up to around 40 minutes of runtime, which is fine for small to medium jobs, but not ideal if you're working with a large plot. And while it's stronger than the smallest model, it still won't match the raw digging force of larger corded or gas machines. This one is ideal for homeowners who want a balance between power and convenience. If you like cordless freedom but need more bite than a compact cultivator offers, this is a solid step up. And if you're finding this review helpful so far, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's move into gas territory. At number 3, we have the Vevor, our only gas-powered model in this lineup. Right away, you get the big advantage of fuel-driven freedom. No cords, no waiting for batteries to recharge. With a 43cc 2-stroke engine, this tiller offers more strong torque for breaking up soil. The 11.8-inch width is wider than both cordless models we just covered, which means fewer passes across your garden. The large wheels help with maneuvering, and the stand-up design makes it easier on your back compared to bending over with smaller cultivators. However, the tilling depth is listed at just under 4 inches, which is actually shallower than some of the corded electric models coming up next. And as with any 2-stroke engine, you'll need to mix gas and oil, which adds maintenance and preparation time. It's powerful, yes, but not the deepest digger in this group. If you prefer gas power and want mobility without cords, this sits right in the middle of the pack. It's stronger than the cordless units, but not the top performer overall. Now, let's see what corded electric can do. At number 2, we have the SunJoe. This is where things start to feel seriously capable for home garden prep. The 13.5 amp motor delivers consistent power as long as it's plugged in, so there's no battery limit and no fuel mixing. With a 16-inch width and up to 8 inches of depth, it covers more ground and digs deeper than the previous 3 models. That makes it a strong option for vegetable gardens and larger flower beds. Compared to the gas unit, it actually digs deeper, even though it relies on electricity. The only trade-off here is the cord. You'll need a heavy-duty extension cord, and you'll have to manage it as you move across your yard. It's not quite as wide or deep as the number 1 model, but it's very close. If you want strong, consistent performance and don't mind working with a cord, this is a powerful and practical choice. But there's one model that edges it out. And at number 1, we have the LawnMaster. This model takes the top spot thanks to its combination of wide coverage and deep digging ability. With an 18-inch tilling width, it's the widest in today's lineup. That means fewer passes and faster work. It also reaches down up to 9 inches, which is the deepest in this group. Compared to the SunJoe, you get more width and more depth, while still enjoying continuous corded power. It's also lighter than you might expect for its size, making it easier to handle than some gas alternatives. Like all corded units, you'll need an extension cord. But in terms of raw garden preparation performance among these 5, this one stands at the top. It's ideal for homeowners who want to prepare serious planting beds without stepping up to a large heavy gas machine. If your goal is efficient, deep, and wide soil prep in a typical home garden, this is the strongest overall choice in the ranking. If you're ready to upgrade your garden game, check out the top rated models using the links in the description under the video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our next in-depth comparison.